Assalamualaikum. I'm Hashmi. I'm your Chinese tutor. Welcome to our practical Chinese course, Pinyin lesson number 3. Before going to start this lecture, we have to recall the previous lecture. So in previous video, we have discussed with these finals and the 4 basic tones in Chinese. So let's recall the sounds for these finals. First one is A, the second one is O, the third one is A, fourth one is E, and the fifth one is U, and the sixth and the last final is Y. Don't forget, we also practice the 4 tones for the Chinese. Are you familiar with these? If your answer is no, I strongly recommend you to go back and watch our last video so you may have any idea for this video also. Let's practice with these tones. A, and the second tone is A, and the third tone is A, and the fourth tone is A. And if your answer is yes, then let's get started with today's lesson, which is about the initials. So we have split the initials in 6 sets. Basically, initials are 21. So we have split initials in 6 sets. So we are going to start with the set 1. And for pronouncing these initials, we have put some finals over here, so it is get easy to pronounce these initials. Okay, so we have split these initials on the basis of their pronunciation. So for this set, you feel like you have air pressure comes out from your mouth. So let's start. So the first word is P. And it is quite similar to the word P in English. Okay, in P in Urdu. So when we read with the initial with final, so we can pronounce it like Po. Read like this. So read after me. Po. Now let's come with another initial. H. Right. Now it look like PH sound. Okay. H. And when we have to read with the final, so it look like Po. Read after me. Po. Okay, the third initial, we are going to read with this. Now you have to read after me. Mo. Yeah, it is similar to English. Okay, and the last initial from this set is Fo. Yeah, right. So you have to read like this. Now read after me. Po, mo, fo. Right. Now you have to practice with these initials. Don't forget to follow these steps. You have to watch the complete video. You have to read aloud and listen carefully. And third step is you have to practice. Okay. So get the benefit from this video, you have to practice. Thank you for watching. See you next time.